Welcome to the Algebra Final Review. This is Standard 9, Part 2. We're basically going to do Problem 1B off the review guide. And so that uses the quadratic formula. We have another video online that you may want to go and look at that's just titled basically the quadratic formula. Remember, we have to have it in the right form. And then once we have it in the right form, we'll pick our A, B, and C, put them into the right places, simplify, and solve. Basic steps. Get it into the right form. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Identify your a, b, and c. Plug it into the form, simplify, and solve. Remember that we said one of the strange things about this is you will find places where we have plus and minus together like this, like in the quadratic formula. And remember that just tells you to split it into two problems. One time you add it, one time you subtract it. And when we go through the problem, you'll see that as we do it. Okay, here's the problem that they've got listed. 0 equals 0.1x squared plus 12x plus 36. It's already in the right form. It's equal to 0, and the terms are in order by their exponent or power. I've rewritten them here to kind of show you that I've been able to identify what my a, b, and c are. A is 0.1, b is 12, and c is 36. Now we need to plug them into the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula, I think it finally got it in focus. Remember, we're going to put the values in their places in the formula. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug those in. So we'll start with the b value because that's the first one. We have two places to put the b value. We have two places to put the a value and one place to put the c value. Now, we need to do some simplifying and solving. I'll need the calculator on this. But I basically said you've got three primary regions to simplify first. If you know the order of operations, just go ahead and do it. But this is going to kind of step you through how it's almost always going to be done. The opposite, or the negative of 12, is negative 12. Okay. And then 2 times 0.1 is going to be 0.2. Now, let's do this one up here. I remind you that I suggest that you put them in parentheses. Parentheses, let's put 12 squared minus 4 times 0.1 times 36. And you will get 129.6. That is the number that goes underneath the square root. Now, I'm just going to, the only difference between right here and right here is that the square root sign has been removed, which means they took the square root of 129.6. So I'm going to do that. Square root of 129.6 should be 11.38 approximately. Okay, now I'm just going to rewrite it. Now I'm splitting it into two different problems. Okay, both those are over 0.2. I'm going to simplify the top. I get negative 0.62 on this one. Divide it by 0.2. And I get negative 3.1 as one of my solutions. Okay. On the other one, negative 12 minus 11.38, negative 23.38. Divide that by 0.2, and I get got a really big number, negative 116.9. Okay, now let me check my answer real quick. And those look right. Remember, I could do this one by graphing. I can tell from this it'd have to be a really big graph, but we chose to use the quadratic formula on this one because we didn't have numbers that looked very nice. We said for sure we're probably not going to be able to find something. Think about your diamond and your rectangle having to multiply 36 times 0.1 and finding out what multiplies to get that and adds to get 12. That could be really hard. So anyway, hope this helps, and good luck.